I have to admit that I have a memory like a sieve. Things seem to slip my mind very easily, especially unimportant ones, and I cannot keep them in mind for a very long time. When someone suddenly asks me about events taking place months or years ago, I find it difficult to recall those memories. I only possess a short-term memory, so I can gather information quickly for answering a question or sitting an exam. I can learn things by heart right off the bat, but fail to keep them in mind for a long time. This all goes down to the fact that I have been used to rote learning. You know, the memorization technique based on repetition rather than logical thinking. It may sound funny, but I think some people are born absent-minded while others have excellent memories. It is because memory skills are somewhat of a talent or related to a person's genes. However, I believe people can remember things more easily and longer if they boost their memory day by day by studying and practicing some brain exercises. Yes, I have. About 2 or 3 months ago, I was halfway to the test center when I realized I didn't bring along my identification card. I'm sure every IELTS test takers know how crucial it is for them to confirm their identity to the examiner if they want to sit for the test. As soon as I realized I left my ID card at home, I was luckily able to get back home to wrap it and return to the test center on time, and my examination went on very smoothly.